Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your region on the Xbox application using mobile device. If you want to change your country or your region on Xbox, follow along till the end. First of all, open the Xbox app on your device and log in with your Microsoft account's credential. Once logged in, click on your profile picture at the top left. Now click on the gear button at the top right on the next page. This will bring up the settings menu on the screen, where you need to go ahead and scroll down to language and location. Now under country and region, select the drop down and choose a different country you want to change to. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your region or your location on Xbox. Just ensure that your billing address and payment methods matches the new region, because mismatched information can cause issues with purchase and subscriptions. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.